Good afternoon, Mr. John. I would like you to test my soil in my farm, in which I would like to grow crops in the near future.
Sure. Me and my team will visit you tomorrow there and we can talk about it. Just to clarify, you wanted to check the nitrate content of the soil, right?
Yes.
We should be able to get back to you longest by a week and we will give you the results then. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Justin. It was me from a few days ago. May I ask
Hello.
before I tell you your results, why did you choose to use our services of other services?
This is because the last group of researchers I enlisted, they claimed that my soil was infertile despite it never being used, which got me curious. I wanted a second opinion.
I'm happy to tell you that the soil was indeed fertile. And in case that ever happens, you can use ammonium salt-based fertilizers to replenish the nutrients inside the soil. As for how we tested it, we heated up soil with calcium hydroxide, and the gas evolved from it was basic, which means that it is ammonium gas, which tells us that it indeed has nitrates, telling us that your soil was fertile. Thank you for using our services.
Thank you for your services.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Miss. On behalf of the residents, I'm here to protest about the company you're representing, BBS Corp. We are protesting as the nitrates that are washed or leached out into the rivers and lakes can cause eutrophication that kills ecosystems in rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water. We are also worried that the nitrates in drinking water might cause the blue baby syndrome. And one more thing, we also noticed that there are fumes coming up from your factory, which we believe is sulfur dioxide, which could cause acid rain.
Okay, so regarding the blue baby syndrome being caused by the consumption of nitrates in drinking water, this has actually yet to be proven, hence it is an invalid point. And regarding the acid rain in eutrophication, we believe that it's actually caused by natural means and not our company, because as you can see, the car exhaust fumes actually releases nitrogen oxides into the air, and this actually dissolves in rainwater, which causes acid rain, and acid rain falls back into bodies of water, which increases the nitrate levels in them, and this is the one that results in eutrophication. Hence, it is not our company who's dumping nitrates into the bodies of water, nor is it the fumes from our company that is causing acid rain or eutrophication. However, since our company actually does care about the environment here, of course, we have decided to compensate the residents by fitting the car exhaust, everyone's car exhaust with catalytic converters for free. And we believe that in doing so, this would help to reduce the amount of nitrogen oxide emissions. Hence, it will reduce the chances of nitrogen oxide dissolving in rainwater to form acid rain, and this would also reduce the risk of eutrophication to occur. Mr. John here, which is our lab expert, would further explain to you about this.
There are several ways to reduce sulfur dioxide emissions. One of them is by producing low sulfur versions of fossil fuels, or no sulfur version of fossil fuels before burning it, so it won't produce sulfur dioxide or less sulfur dioxide. Another way, as mentioned by Ms. Erlin before, is catalytic converters, which reduce the amount of nitrogen dioxide by converting it to nitrogen before letting it out to the air, which will lessen the amount of acid rain by lessening the amount of sulfur dioxide.
Good morning, Mr. Gopi. We heard that you would like to invest in our nitric acid industry. May we ask why you're interested in our nitric acid industry?
Morning, Miss. I would like to invest in your nitric acid company because it can be used to create TNT for my former colleagues in the military, and I would like to use it for my soap and textile industry.
Oh, that is quite a wise choice, sir. Yeah, that's actually true. Nitric acid is quite useful, actually. It can be used to manufacture detergents, paints, pigments, dyes, and nylon, which will definitely be beneficial for your soap and textile industries. In addition to that, sir, our company is actually opening up a Haber industry alongside with our nitric acid industry and also an ammonium nitrate industry. And we're also opening up investments. The reason that we actually put our three companies together is because our Haber industry would be producing ammonia gas, which is going to be used by our nitric acid industry to produce nitric acid. And then our nitric acid will be reacted with the aqueous ammonia, and it will give ammonium nitrate, which is being produced in the ammonium nitrate industry. So it's actually quite sensible that our company has decided to put these factories side by side. And as we are just starting in this new venture, we are very open to new investors. And if you would like to explore in newer in
Fields.
newer
Okay.
sorry,
Yes,
sir.
in your fields.
Yeah,
Yes,
in your
I would like to look into that. Yes.
yes.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so thank you very much for investing in our nitric
Thank you,
acid
Mish.
industry. We
Yes.
hope that will give us good news with the other two companies. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you.